welcome back. So this is a quick travel vlog. I am heading to Dominica, but because of the storms our flight got delayed over 12 hours, so we missed our connecting flight in Puerto Rico. So we ended up in Puerto Rico for 24 hours. So we had to divert and go to Tortola. Then from Tortola I'll be island hopping until I get to Dominica. So we're currently in the British Virgin Islands, which is Tortola. This is the view. We just walked across the street from the airport. It's a beautiful view. So stay tuned as I bring you guys along on my crazy travel adventure. We finally made it to Dominica after 4 days, 3 days actually. So we're here. Nature Isle, Dominica. Today I'll be on an adventure. I've been here for the last couple of days, but we had a long travel due to missing our connecting flight. But today I'm heading to the east coast of the island. I'll be stopping at Jacko Falls, and then I'll also be going to a beautiful beachfront by a restaurant. But right now we're just chilling out, getting some food, and I will keep you guys posted. To Jacko Falls in the Commonwealth of Dominica. It is located in the interior, kind of. I think so, yeah, it is. Located in the interior, so we're about to walk down. Now there's like a little bar area behind me, so stay tuned. Alrighty, let's go. Look at how green and beautiful. So we're walking down to the falls now. There's like a little trail down the stairs you have to walk, and then you're gonna get to the falls. We are down by the falls. You can see it behind me here. And then the stairs right there. It's very lush, very green. It's one of the easier trails to walk down to. You don't have to hike. You literally just have to go down the stairs. But this is Jacko Falls. So this is my friend Giselle. She's here with me shooting some content. She lives close to my parents' house in Wesley, so we're gonna be liming today. We're gonna hit up a few spots, get something to eat, get something to drink, and just enjoy the nature. So we are at another waterfall called Spanny Falls, which is down the street from Jacko Falls. It's about a 10-minute walk up and down. So we are walking now, but I know we'll find a beautiful view at the end. The beautiful Spanny Falls. Beautiful here. So guys, this is Spanny Falls. It's very nice, very lush and green here. There's a little cave back there. Guys, we're leaving Spanny Falls now. Our next stop, I'm sweaty, but our next stop is Pegua Bay back in Margaret. We're going to probably stop there to get a drink, and then we're going to continue on to Hempstead Beach. I'm very excited about Hempstead Beach because I've never been before, and I know that there's a lady that cooks right, like fresh from, it's like ocean to table. So I'm super excited, so you guys stay tuned. We are at Pegua Bay. Infamous Pegua, we are here. Yeah. On our way to Hempstead, yes, Hempstead Beach. We have a little bit of a walk. Is Batibu Beach? We're not going to Hempstead Beach? Get out. Okay, so we're on our way to Batibu Beach. I thought it was one and the same. But we have a little bit of a walk to go down. These are our friends here. So I'll keep you guys posted. That's our driver, Rez. So we are the beach now. Wait, all day we have to go? What? What the hell? Are you freaking kidding me? We are not there. Hello?
Say hi to Batibu Beach.
Yeah, we can say hi to it. So this is the beach we're trying to get to, guys. It's right here, but we have like a walk, right, Rez? Okay, Rez, your car could have came all the way down here. We made it, guys. We made it to Batibu Beach. So we had a long walk down. I think you need a 4-wheel drive if you want to come down in a truck. So we're looking to see if somebody will bring us back up. Oh, somebody. We made it to the beach. This is like a privately owned beach. It'll fall. So we are currently at Batibu Beach. It's on the northeast in Dominica, close to Calibishi, the village of Calibishi. These are the views here, bright, so hope you guys can see it. It's an absolutely beautiful beach. There is a walk down. However, if you have a 4x4, like a 4-wheel drive, you can definitely get down here easier. We are currently at Coral Reef Restaurant.
You want it to go? Back it up to go.
You can put it to go, that's fine. Yeah, It is day 3 here in the Nature Isle. Today we are having a celebration for my stepson. He graduated high school, so we're at like a river venue. It's very beautiful, very tranquil. Let me see if I can show you guys around. You can hear the river at the back. This location is called Riverstone, and it is in the village of Bells. So when I get out the car, I will show you guys around even more. Say what up.
Ready.
So we're at Riverstone and we're barbecuing. Action time. Lights, camera, action.
Right.
So we're at Riverstone with my cousin Brennan. It's a beautiful scenery. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is where we're hanging out for the day. And then there is a spot up where we're cooking and hanging out. So it is so nice. The water I heard is super cold. So catch you later. This is my last day here in Dominica. I hate to go. I will miss this view. You guys, so I'm going to have breakfast at Pegua Bay, which is like one of my favorite places to come to on the island. And let me just show you the view. This is the view from up here. I will certainly miss this view. So I'll let you guys know what I'm going to be eating for breakfast. And yeah, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful morning. I don't know if you can see, but I have the breakfast skillet. I just had a Caribbean rum and I have my rosé here. It's a beautiful morning. I can't wait to dig in. Looks delicious. So I feel like the prices in Dominica are very comparable to the States. So a meal like this will cost you about $12 US, so it's not bad for this view. I'm leaving. This is my last day here in Dominica. My ride is outside. I am leaving my parents' house now. It's always sad to leave, but my next stop is Barbados. Hopefully I can get some footage in Barbados, and then after that I'll be heading to New York.